Today we're going to learn how to coil a rope. So usually ropes are pretty long and you usually don't want to just stuff it in the back, otherwise it will unravel and take up the entire space of your bag and it will be pretty hard to take out afterwards. So this is how you coil it, or at least in my method, this is how you coil it. So you first fold the rope in halves, and then half again, and half, and half again until you feel like the size is suitable. For me, this is fine. Now, you take out around 4 to 5 lengths of the rope that you just coiled, and you start wrapping it around the bundle. It's like this. Once you reach the end of the rope here, you do a half hitch on the rope by putting a little loop here between the bundle and the rope, and you stake the end of the rope through here and then pull. There, now you got a coil rope.